To send crypto from Uniswap to Coinbase Wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the necessary accounts, including a Uniswap account and a Coinbase wallet. If you don't have a Coinbase wallet, download and install the app. Then create an account or log in if you already have one. Next, open Uniswap and navigate to the Wallet section. Then click on the Send button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Ethereum or a specific token. Copy the recipient address from your Coinbase wallet, which can be found in the Receive section of the app. Paste the recipient address into Uniswap, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. Depending on network congestion, the transfer may take a few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is confirmed, open your Coinbase wallet to verify the funds have been received. If you encounter any issues, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer or contact Uniswap or Coinbase support for assistance. Best practices include double-checking the recipient address to avoid sending funds to the wrong account, being aware of any transfer fees, and keeping your accounts and wallet up to date for security purposes. By following these steps, you can successfully send crypto from Uniswap to Coinbase Wallet.